So in order to make two handles into one with a TRX, you're going to use this technique. You're going to take just the triangles, what you're thinking about. Don't worry about the loops here, the stirrups or straps or whatever you want to call them. You're going to take the left side, you're going to put the triangle, and put one hand through the triangle, one handle through the triangle, excuse me. And you're going to take the new left side, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Triangle through the triangle. Then once you've got this kind of close grip handle type deal, you're gonna make sure that you have a good lock by pulling down on either side will do. I would suggest the side that is in your right hand, because when you pull, you can see that this is not going anywhere. Sometimes when you're doing a single-handed movement or a single-handled movement, this can happen, and if you're at the end of a long lever, that jarring motion will, you'll lose your grip, you fall off, bad things happen. So just make sure that when you're going two handles into one, that you test out the grip that you've made before you begin the movement.